Are you drunk again? Or so?
And that's the last night.
I don't think it's gonna be much. Well, I don't care.
I can't wait to get off this road.
Thank you, though.
I'm not kidding. I just can't breathe.
I'll never drink a Capri Sun again.
I'll never drink.
It's my brand.
You know, that's gonna be it's in a while.
20 years.
Yeah, that way,
What? There's no way we're going to
$1.3 billion.
that was my nose. Still got
It's declined a little bit. It's actually one of the things.
the overall.
Well, what, we have to go down there, and then do we just take the shuttle from there, or we have to ride on the boat? Yeah, the boat, that's what I mean by the shuttle.
Excursion and bail money.
Yeah.
Somebody asked me about that story.
I love that. I never tried that.
I liked it. No, you can go up on a ski. It's like fall. I just said, no, they were lemons.
Because they're lemons. You can do one.
I stand up one here because
And we have to deal with all that, where they have to stay.
gonna roll you when they get on this train. Oh, I think I just called them. Not kidding. I'm trying not to.
Which is white, yeah. It did taste very cheap.
All day. Roll out of this bar.
Here.